This is a curve section of the dress, the collar section, the top portion of the dress, and it's a curve portion, and I have to understitch it around the collar area, this curve, as far as I can. And understitching will help this facing to lay properly down where it's supposed to be in the inside. So this is the facing of the dress here, the blue and white. You're going to take that seam and keep it underneath the facing, and this is the front of the dress, and you're going to put it on your sewing machine like this, the seam and the facing. The seam is facing the facing, and you're going to stitch as closely as you can to that edge as possible, and take it slowly. We'll back stitch, and I'm going to try to go as closely to that seam as possible, very slowly, and as far around this curve as I can go. Take your time. And that's your back stitching. I'm sorry, that's your understitching. See how the collar, it just won't lay any other way. It just simply folds to the back and it lays in place. That's what understitching does. This is the inside facing under the underarm of the dress, and we're going to take this little seam, this facing, and tack it down to the inside of the dress. And I'm going to go like this. I doubled my thread, but I did knot it. And I'm not going to, I'm using the seam edge to go into and not catching the front of the dress. And we're just going to tack this little facing down so keep it in place. Then I'm going to knot it off. Taking my thread through the back, making sure it's secured. See the threads? And when you sewing, take your time. It's not a rush. So that thread is secured, knot it off, and we're going to snip our thread. and that's secure in place. Then I'm going to do the other side. And that's just tacking your face into the inside side seams to keep it lying down. Tacking the facing to the side seam.